Let's uncover the surprising health benefits and rich history of black-eyed peas, the unassuming superfood.
What are black-eyed peas? They're a type of bean, not a pea, and are a member of the legume family. Originating in North Africa, they have been cultivated for centuries and were brought to the Americas during the slave trade.
Their rich history is intertwined with resilience, becoming a symbol of good luck in Southern tradition. They are packed with fiber, protein, and essential nutrients like iron and vitamin A. Those seeking to improve digestion, heart health, and energy levels can benefit from them.
However, uncooked or undercooked black-eyed peas contain a natural toxin that can cause illness.
People with sensitive digestive systems may experience gas and bloating from their high fiber content. A healthy daily amount of black-eyed peas is about half a cup as part of a balanced diet. Traditionally, they are eaten on New Year's Day to bring luck and prosperity.
From their ancient origins to your table, black-eyed peas offer a wealth of benefits.
Like and subscribe for more evidence-based nutrition content. All references are listed in the video description.